Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Placement Talks, where we will be sharing all job notifications, updates and also study materials for placement purpose. So today we are discussing about logical reasoning questions for Wipro NLTH 2021, which is going to conducted between 29th of Jan to the 31st of Jan. So let us start today's video. If you are not watched our aptitude video, then do watch and subscribe to our channel for other videos. The first question is, a student scores 55% marks in 8 papers out of 100 marks each. He scores 15% of his total marks in English. How much does he scores in English? So they have given that he written 8 papers out of 100 marks and he got 55% in each questions, each exams. So we can say that 8 into 100 will be the total marks and he got 55%. So 55% of 100 will be 440. So he scored 440 out of 800, and they have given that 15% of his total marks in English. In the sense, 15% of this 440 will be his English score. So we can find that 15% of 440 will be 66, and he scored 66% in English. So the option is B. So let us go to the second question. Here they have given one equation and they have asked to find the value of n. By this formula we can say that this is 2 raised to 288 divided by 2 raised to n equals to 512. We can say a raised to m divided by a raised to n. So this formula will be a raised to m minus n. So we can write as 2 raised to 288 minus n is equals to, we can write this 512 as 2 raised to 9. So equals to 2 raised to 9. Whenever the bases are same, we can equate their equations. So by this 288 minus n will be equals to 9. By interchanging, we can say that n will be equals to 288 minus 9. So this will be equals to 279. So the options are not there in the list. So we can say none as the option. Option D is the correct answer. Let us go to the third question, which is, they have asked to find the question mark. They have given the series 420, 120, 840, question mark and 6720. So by seeing this equation or the series, we can say these are the multiples. For example, here they have given 4 into 5 is equals to 20. Then they have multiplied again this 20 into 6 is equals to 112. Again 120 into 7 is equals to 840. So like that we can say 5, 6, 7. So next will be 8. So 840 into 8 will be 8 zeros is 0. 8 4s are 32 and 8 8s are 64, 65, 60, 67. So 6720 will be the next option. The option C is the correct answer. Let us go to the fourth question. In certain code, tiger is written as QDFHS. How is fish written in that code? So let us write the series TIGER as QDFHS. If we see this is in a reverse format. We can say R minus 1. So R minus 1 will be Q. They have written it in first place. Like we can write this as reverse order. Tiger R E G I T and minus 1. R minus 1 will is Q. E minus 1 is D. G minus 1 is F. Like that minus 1. So we can write it as fish also. in the same manner. F I S H. First write it in reverse order. H S I F. Then minus 1. H minus 1 will be G. S minus 1 will be R. I minus 1 will be H. And F minus 1 will be E. So we can say GRHF is the correct answer. So GRHE. GRHE. So the option 2 is the right answer. So let us go to the next question. So which of the following will come next in the following series? They have given the series AZ, ABY, ABC. So if we see this, we will be noticing that A, AB, ABC are repeating, like see. First A, then AB, next ABC, next ABCD, then we can say next will be ABCDE. So this will be very easy. So next term will be E for this option. If you are facing any difficulties or you are getting any doubts, you can ask me in comment section. I will be clearing all your doubts there. So let us go to the next question. This is also same kind of questions. Fill the blanks. If we see here also the same pattern is going on, like AB, next will be ABC, ABCD, ABCDE, like that. So we can fill it AB, first AB, next ABC. So in that first we will get A, then ABC, ABCD. So next will be B, C, next A, B, C, D, E. So this will be our option A, B, C, C, E. So the option 2 will be our correct answer. So that's it for today. For more such videos, do subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon. You can also join our Telegram group for study materials. The links are given in the description box. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you will never miss any updates. Thanks for watching.